Hi there, in this Anytype video, I'll go over new features in the iOS 0.28 beta updates. First up is the ability to download and install Anytype experiences. Now, there's not a direct link, so I do have to go through several clicks. Basically, I went through the help menu, and in the community, at the very top toolbar, it's pretty small on mobile. It looks like a little hand, and that's the Anytype gallery. You could also go directly to that website address if you want to open it in your browser, and you'll see open an app, and here it will let you install once you have the Anytype app open on your iOS device. And I like to install on new spaces just to make sure I like it. It's a lot easier to delete if you don't like that template. So now I've got it installed, and this is what it looks like on mobile. If you want to change the background, it's on the space setting. Go to personalization and then wallpaper. And right now there's only a few options for gradients and solid colors. And it could look like this. If you want light mode or dark mode, that's actually in your account settings, and here's where you change the appearance from light mode to dark mode. Now let's take a look at improvements to creating new objects. There is an icon at the bottom, and if you long press on the plus icon, you will see this Create New Object menu, which is now divided into pinned, lists, and objects. And if you want to change what's default, you can long press on an object, and it gives you that mini menu to change it to the default. And then if you want to pin it, you can move it up here. And again, long press on any of those objects to get the unpin. I'm going to create a new page right now. And if you have page templates or object templates, you can see a menu at the top, and if you click on it, you can see that it will ask you to swipe left or right in order to select a template. And the button for select is at the bottom of your device. Next, we'll look at improvements to the share function. If you are saving an image, I selected the image from a website, and I'm choosing link block here, and then you can choose what object or page you want to send it to. So I'm going to put it on the dog walking service page. You don't end up on the dog walking page, even though you sent it there. You're on the last page you were originally on in the app, so you do have to navigate to it. And it came out as a text link for the image. I don't really want that. I actually wanted to put the image itself. So let's take a look at a different way to do this. So going back to this website with the backyard water bark, I just took a screenshot, and now I'm just going to crop it a little bit so I just got this one image. And here on the share page, I'm choosing Anytype. And on this menu, it's a little bit different. I'm going to choose File Block, and I'm adding it to the same page. So when I did it this way, it did come out as an actual image displayed in the Anytype page. And if you long hold on the image, you will get this block menu at the bottom. Okay, next up is improvements to relations. So if you long press on any relation, it will pop up with a menu, and there is a visual indicator to show you which one you have selected. And if you want to add a new tag, you get the same menu. And here I'm going to add a new tag called animals. And now if you have two tags, it'll have a numeric indicator to show you how many tags you have under that relation. And one tip that I found is the grid view I didn't really like as much, so I'm switching it right now to the list view, which actually shows a lot more of the title of your object and the relations that are attached to it. Another thing I wanted to show you is the confirmation when you're deleting a relation option. So this is the medium option. If you swipe to the left to delete it, it will give you a confirmation that you actually want to remove it. Okay, and lastly, there are still some features that are missing from the iOS mobile app. While there are several different views available for collections and sets, only grid and gallery and list are available in the mobile app right now. So Kanban, the board view, and the calendar view are not available yet. And here you can see I am using the gallery view. If you select small, you'll get 2 cards next to each other in a row, and if you select large, it will fill up the entire width of your device. And let me know in the comments if you're going to start using the Anytype mobile app.